Hi friends, I'm Z. Welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to learn about a very important part of a computer. The keyboard. Are you ready? Let's begin. A keyboard is an input device. That means it helps us send information into the computer. We use a keyboard to type letters, numbers and messages. A keyboard has many small buttons. These buttons are called keys. Each key has a special job. A standard keyboard has more than 100 keys. These are the alphabet keys. They have letters from A to Z. There are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. We use alphabet keys to type words and sentences. For example, we can type our name. Can you find a letter key? Touch a letter key. Great job! These are number keys. They have numbers from 0 to 9. We use number keys for counting and math. Can you find a number key? Excellent! This long key is called the spacebar. It is the longest key on the keyboard. The spacebar makes space between words. Watch carefully. Hello? Space. World. Now there is space. Try it. Tap the spacebar. Perfect. This key is the enter key. The enter key moves the cursor to a new line. It helps us start a new sentence. Press enter. See? We move to the next line. Amazing! This key is called Backspace. Backspace deletes mistakes. If we type something wrong, Backspace helps us fix it. Everyone makes mistakes. That is okay. Press Backspace. Great work! This key is called Caps Lock. Caps Lock makes letters big. When Caps Lock is on, every letter we type becomes uppercase. Watch. Caps Lock on. Hello, big letters. Now, Caps Lock off. Hello, small letters again. Caps Lock helps us type capital letters. Try pressing Caps Lock. Great job. Let's remember what we learned today. Alphabet keys, number keys, spacebar, enter key, backspace, caps lock. These keys help us type on a computer keyboard. Now it's quiz time. Let's see what you remember. Question 1. Which key makes space between words? Spacebar or backspace? The answer is spacebar. Fantastic. Question 2. Which key deletes mistakes? Enter or backspace? Correct. Backspace.
Excellent. You did an amazing job learning today. Now you know the parts of a keyboard. Keep practicing typing and you will become a computer expert. If you enjoyed this lesson, ask a grown-up to help you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye, friends. See you next lesson.